Search intent refers to the intention a user has when entering a query or search term into a search engine. Search intent is commonly broken down into 4 key categories. Navigational. This user is looking for a specific page or site. The type of keyword is really only beneficial to you if you're a household brand and people are actually searching for your site. For example, if someone searches Starbucks, you know that'll be navigational. Informational. These users are looking for the answer to a specific question, or they're interested in learning more about a specific subject area or topic. Craving that pumpkin spice outside of the autumn season, search for pumpkin spice recipe would be informational. Commercial. These users are investigating brands or services. They are interested in making a purchase soon, and they have the intention to buy, but they need a little more convincing. So if you're sick of waiting in those long drive-through queues, search term cold brew coffee machine would be an example of a commercial intent keyword. Transactional. These users are looking to complete an action or convert in some form right now. Out with the girlies, need your fix? Searching for Starbucks drive-through would be transactional intent. What does this mean for SEO? The main goal of a search engine is to provide helpful, relevant search results for its users, especially Google. They've put a lot of time into understanding what content is actually helpful for their users, and a big part of this was spent on intent. This means that even if your article is perfectly written and SEO optimized, if you haven't considered intent at all, you probably won't get very far. When it comes to your content, there are some best practices that you can follow to really start including search intent. So first, know what the intent is. Through keyword research tools, the intent is often highlighted and given to you from the offset. By using SEMrush, for example, we can see that the keyword iced coffee recipe has informational intent. So people are looking for information and details surrounding this topic. Number 2, see what ranks. Once you've picked a keyword, have a look and see what content is actively ranking for your keyword on the search engine you want to appear on, giving you a good idea of what people are looking at and clicking on, and what Google believes to be the right kind of content to match the intent of your chosen keyword. By searching for our keyword iced coffee recipe, we can see that users are looking for recipe information and step-by-step guides. Number 3, think helpful and accurate. The main purpose of a search engine again is to provide accurate and helpful search results. So play the game and work with search engines and users. Don't write content to just serve yourself, and start considering the search intent of your targeted keywords. Now you understand the basics of search intent, you can start implementing it into your SEO strategies. With our DIY SEO platform, you have the power to take charge of your website search engine rankings, and with search intent as a built-in feature, it can be integrated seamlessly into your SEO efforts. You can book a free demo from the link in the description.